right, this is our cat. So he likes to come in and out from the door. You guys can see that. So he's already used to it. And normally we leave it open. All right, just got our door, guys. And this one is a pleaser because we have a cat. We have dogs, and the dogs are always trying to get into the room and eat the cat food over there in his room. We have a new cat, and we're trying to train them to actually, instead of jumping over because we don't want them to get hurt, the older they are, it's gonna be harder for them to jump over. So we set up this little area here for them, and it comes with this little door, and all you got to do is pull it back, open it, and that's pretty much it, and it locks in. Now to unlock it, you have to push the button and push back. All right, now these things are easy to actually remove and add on. Now they do come with extra add-ins, which is some base, but we don't set them up because we remove this every time we have guests or people coming over. Now if it's not long enough, they do give you an extra extensions to extend it even longer. This thing was a pleaser because of the cat entrance, and of course my cat uses it all the time. He doesn't want to jump over no more. He's getting a little older, so this is what we got it for. Very simple, easy to use. Baby gate, dog gate, cat gate, whatever you want to call it. I hope you guys enjoy the video.